On today's assignment, when you open up the screen, you're going to see the 4 boxes here where you're using the pencil to write a number in standard form. You're using the shapes to create the same number using place value blocks. You're writing the number in word form, and you're using the pencil to write the number in expanded form. But you'll notice there's not any number on the page. That's because it's in the caption. You need to click on the Move tool, which is the hand down here at the bottom, and the caption. So this caption are these little quotation marks right here, and when you click on caption, it opens up this button with play. It will play the number for you out loud. I'm going to show you again. You use the hand, you click on caption, and then you click play. This will play the number for you to write. The number is 123. Use the pencil to write the number 123. Fill in all of the squares showing the number 123. Now that caption stays there the entire time, so if you need to hear the number again, you can. To take that screen off, you just click back up on the squares, and now do what it says, which is I'm going to use my pencil to write the number 123. And now I'm going to show 123 and the rest of the boxes. So we come to number 2 where I'm using the shapes, and the shapes are down at the 3 dots. And when I open up the shapes, I have the hundreds. So that makes my 100. And I'm going to come and get my 10. I need 2 of the 10s. And when I put them in, it will put them right on top. I can just move them over. And then I'm going to click on the dots for my 3. And I'm also going to show you that duplicate because you can just add it one time, then click the 3 dots on the shape and duplicate it to make the 3. And do it for each one of them. And now I have 123 with the place value blocks. Now I'm going to write the number in word form on number 3. I want to use my text tool because that is also an option I can do, and type in 100 in words 23. Now, notice when I did that, it took it and it made it go all down in the boxes, and I want it to stretch across. Well, when I stretch it across, oh, it went into another spot. I can just shrink the number using those small dots. And now 123 fits in the box. Oh, I always want to go back and read because it said 100s. Oh, but there's only one of them, so I want to get rid of my S. 123. Make sure it says what I want. Now on the last one, I'm using the pencil to write the number in expanded form. So I'm using my base 10 blocks. There was 1 of the 100, so that was 100. I had 2 of these 10s, which is 10, 20 plus 20, and 1, 2, 3 ones, which is 3. And 100 plus 20 plus 3 equals 123. This is the way you are doing each one of the templates. Then click the green check and turn it in.